Ramli. So now we will discuss about tangent to curve of parametric equation. So at the end of this lesson, we will able to define the parametric differentiation. Okay, next. What is parametric differentiation? A parametric equation of curve can intersect itself at a point of C. There can be one tangent, two or more tangent, or no tangent at all. Okay, next is the formula for parametric differentiation. Next. Okay, now let's see a questions from questions 1 from assignment 1. A curve is defined by the parametric equations x equal to t plus 2 over t and y equal to 2t minus 4 over t, whereas t more than 0. Okay. Next. And in questions 1a, show that dy over dx equal to 2 plus 8 over t square minus 2, which is t is not equal to square root 2. So we already given x equal to t plus 2 over t and y equal to 2t minus 4 over t. So we differentiate x and we get dx over dt equal to t square minus 2 over t square, and we differentiate y. So we get dy over dt, equal to 2t square plus 4 over t square. Okay, from the formula, we need to find the dt over dx. So we just switch the position of dx dt into dt dx. Next. Now we just substitute the value of dt over dx and dy over dt into the formula, and we get dy over dx equal to 2t square plus 4 over t square minus 2. But the question asks to show that dy over dx equal to 2 plus 8 over t square minus 2. So we need to change 2t square plus 4 over t square minus 2 into 2 plus 8 over t square minus 2. So it is proven. Are you guys agree with the answer?
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, next questions, 1b. Find the equation of the normal to curve when y equal to 2. Give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we already given y equal to 2t minus 4 over t. Just substitute y equal to 2 and we get t value equal to 2 and negative 1. So we just use the positive value. Next. When t is equal to 2, so just substitute and we get x equal to 3 and dy over dx equal to 6. And 6 dy dx is also gradients 1. So to find the gradients 2, m2 is equal to negative 1 over 6. Next. So we already have m2 equal to negative 1 over 6, y equal to 2, and x equal to 3. So just substitute into the formula y equal to mx plus c. So we get c equal to 5 over 2. And we get y equal to negative 1 over 6x plus 5 over 2. But the question asks to give in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the answer is negative 1 over 6x minus y plus 5 over 2 equal to 0. Okay. Next. For question 1c, find d2y over dx squared in terms of t. So this is second derivative. So we already find d over dx and dt over dx in the questions 1a. Just substitute and we get the answer negative 16 t cubed over t square minus 2 cubic. So in this question we are using the question rule. Any questions?
No.
Okay.
Yana, before that, I have a question. Can we pass from the previous slide? Okay. As the slide show that we have to multiply by dt over dx, right? But I didn't multiply with the dt and dx. What happened to my answer? I saw my answer and with yours is different. Is it correct?
Because the formula already given, we must to multiply dt over dx. So the answer will be wrong lah. It will be wrong if we not multiply dt over dx.
All right. Thank you, Yana. So I made the simple mistake. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we proceed our presentation with me. My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah, and I will present about question 2. Okay, next. Okay, the question 2 is an ellipse has length of the minor axis is 4 units and the 4c at 2 plus square root of 5 negative 2 and 2 minus square root of 5 negative 2. So the question for A, which is find the center, major vertices and the general equation of the ellipse. Before that, we have to know the equation for ellipse and the how to draw the ellipse graph first. So next. Okay, this is the how to draw the graph of an ellipse. So first we have the major axis. Okay, the major the length of major axis is from V1 to V2, which is the length of the major axis is 2a. Next we have minor axis, which is the length of minor axis from V4 until V3, and the length of the minor axis is 2b. Next we have center, which is the center of ellipse is the intersection between major axis and minor axis. From the center, we can know the coordinate, which is h and k. The h, the measure of h is from x-axis until the center, while the k, the measure of k is from y-axis to the center. Okay, next we have A. What is A? Just now we know that major axis, the length of major axis is 2a. So A is the measure of A is from V1 until the center. Next we have B, which is the length of B is from the center to the vertices, V4. And next is we have C. C, the length of C is from the center to the focus. Okay, next. We also have focus, which is F1 and F2. Okay, F1 and F2 is two fixed points on the major axis, and we call the S4C. Okay, the ellipse as 2 4C, as we can look here at the right above 2. The coordinate for 4C is H plus minus C and K. So the symbol plus minus indicates that we have two value of C, which is positive C and negative C. So why ellipse have 2 4C? Because ellipse is symmetrical with respect to its axis. Because of that, ellipse has 2 4C and 2 vertices. Okay, we can also see here the value of A for vertices have 2, which is positive A and negative A. Okay, next. Okay, here we have the equation for an ellipse, which the center is hk and the 4c is h plus minus c k. So the question is square root of x minus h over a squared plus square root of y minus k over b squared equal to 1. We have to make sure the value of a squared is larger than b squared. So we can find the c squared by use the equation, which is c squared equal to a squared minus b squared. Next. Okay, here now I have an exercise for you to answer after I explained before. Okay, now the question is find the foci and vertices of the ellipse. Okay, the question has give you A value and B value. Okay, sorry. Okay, now I give you 2 seconds to calculate the answer. Okay, time's up. Okay, I want Ayana to give your answer. Yes.
For C, I got square root 5, 0, and negative square root 0.
Okay, that is correct. We have 2 for C, which is square root of 5, 0, and negative of square root of 5, 0. Okay, how you find the value?
So in this diagram, we are already given A and B. So just using C square equal to A square minus B square.
Alright. How about the value of H and K?
Okay, H and K is a 0 because the center is 0, 0.
Alright, thank you, Yana. Okay, now, Ifanisha, what is the answer for vertices?
For the vertices is 3, 0 and negative 3, 0.
Alright, thank you, Ifanisha. It's correct. Okay, now we move to the question back. Okay, the question 2A asks us to find the center, major vertices, and the general equation of the ellipse. First, we have to find the center. Okay, the question has given us the information, which is, we know that we have the shape is ellipse and minor axis is 4 units, and the 4C is 2 plus square root of 5 negative 2 and 2 minus square root of 5 negative 2. So from the 4C, we can find the value of H, which is H equal to 2, C equal to plus minus square root of 5, and the value of K is negative 2. Okay, after that, we can find the value of center, which is H and K. The value of H and K is 2, negative 2. And next, from the information of length of minor axis, which is 2b equals to 4, we can find the value of b, which is equal to 2. Next. Okay, now we proceed to find the major vertices. Okay, to find the major vertices, we have to know the value of A. Okay, to find the value of A, we use the equation, which is C squared equal to B squared minus A squared. So we rearrange to find the A squared, and then we substitute the value of B and C into the equation, and we can get the value of A, which is A equal to 3. Okay, after that, we use the value of A to find the coordinate, which is H plus minus A, and then we can get the answer, which is 5 or negative 1. And then the K value we already know before, which is negative 2. And then now we can get the major vertices, which is 5, negative 2, and negative 1, negative 2. Okay, next. We want to find the general equation of the ellipse. Okay, to find the general equation, we use the equation for the ellipse, which is as shown in the slide. Okay, from the previous calculation, we already know the value of A, B, H, and K. Okay, next. Okay, we substitute the value into the equation. Okay, and then we can get we do the calculation. Okay, first one, we have to make the denominator same for both x and y. Okay, to get the same denominator, the square of x minus 2 over 9 square have to multiply by 4 y plus 2 square 4 squared multiplied by 9. Okay, we can get the denominator is 36, and then the right hand side multiplied by 36 to eliminate the 36 from the left hand side. Okay, next we expand the equation, and lastly we can get the general equation of the ellipse, which is 4 squared 4x squared plus 9y squared minus 16x plus 36y plus 16 equal to 0. Okay, now we proceed with Ifanisha.
Hi, my name is Nur Ifanisha with Muhammad Azrizal. Okay. Alright, now let's move to question 2b. Hence, determine the parametric equations of the ellipse in terms of t. In this case, we are going to use formula x equals to h plus a cos t and y equals to k plus b sin t. Okay. From the coordinate of the center, 2, negative 2, h is equals to 2. From question 2a, we have a equals to 3. Substitute these values into equation x equals to h plus a cos t, and we get x equals to 2 plus 3 cos t. Also, from the coordinate of center, 2, negative 2, k is equals to negative 2. From question 2a, we have b equals to 2. Substitute these values into y equals to k plus b sin t, and we get y equals to negative 2 plus 2 sin t. Okay, last question. 2c, sketch the graph of ellipse. Firstly, draw the y and the x-axis, then label the vertices of the minor axis, which is 2, 0 and 2, negative 4. After that, label the vertices of the major axis, which is B1, 5, negative 2 and B2, negative 1, negative 2. Label the center 2, negative 2 and make a dotted line on the minor axis and the major axis. Now you can draw the ellipse graph according to the coordinates that you have drawn. We haven't finished yet. Finally, label the foci of the graph, which is 2 plus square root of 5 negative 2 and F2 2 minus square root of 5 negative 2. Okay, that is all for our discussion. Thank you for watching. Hope you understand and bye-bye.